What's up everybody, Bubba Dees here, and I got some little helpers in the studio with me today, and we're cooking up an interesting recipe called carrot soup. So let's get started. Say hello.
Hi!
If you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So we're gonna need some large carrots.
Carrots are good for you.
We're gonna need some chicken broth or vegetable broth, whatever one you prefer. Table cream, one large onion, some chili flakes or black pepper, or you can remove it altogether depending on your taste preference. But if you want a little heat, go ahead and put the chili flakes in there. Coconut oil, some minced garlic, and some salt. So let's get started by chopping up our carrots. And I'm using about 5 to 7 large carrots, peeled and chopped will do for this recipe, depending on the size. It'll be roughly about 4 cups. 1 large onion, let's go ahead and chop that up. There you go. And we're gonna go ahead and get our pressure cooker. Go ahead and put in our carrots that we chopped and peeled, or peeled and chopped. We're gonna go ahead and put in our 1 large onion. Perfect. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. We'll also be putting in our 1 tablespoon of chili flakes or black pepper, or you can remove it altogether. Some salt. And then we're going to put in our liquid. So we're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of chicken broth or vegetable broth, depending on how you like it. 1 tablespoon of garlic. 1 cup of table cream. And we're gonna go ahead and put our pressure cooker on 20 minutes on high pressure. We're gonna do a quick release, and then we'll have the option of blending it in a blender, or doing what I'm doing and doing it directly inside the pressure cooker. All right, and that's it. We got our beautiful carrot soup. And if you haven't already done so, make sure that you
Like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.